Hey y'all, so I am using the Freatress Braid 22-inch water wave hair, and this is what it looks like up close. The color is TT27. Alright, I'm just going to show you all real quick pretty much how I installed these. So I have a little plait right here that I'm going to do to show you how to do this basically. Also to show you all how I do the back of my head, because sometimes I get those questions whenever I do any type of braiding videos or anything like that. So starting off, obviously it is already put into the little plait. I've already twisted it just enough. That's where I'm pretty much going to stop at with the braid and then turn it into a twist. So you all will see what I mean. Basically starting off with a little bitty braid and then turning it into a twist that goes all the way down. So I've got two pieces. I'm basically just going to cross these so that it can be the length that I want it. I have, you can't even see the whole thing, but these are like hip length. So I'm basically just doing this so that I can get it to that length. You do still want to use two pieces because it gets it a nice thickness. You can use more, but it'll be heavy probably if you use like 3 or 4 pieces. So it's better to just use 2. But basically I'm going to do this. I'm going to pull it a little bit more. I'm using like an ombre color. So this is kind of making it a little easier as far as like finding the exact length that I want, because I basically make it where the blacks cross just a teeny bit, and that way I start my root with it being black, and then all the other colors come when they come. All right, so I've got this the way I need it to be, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you all how to do this really quick. Say hey. She wanted to come and get in the camera. Uh-oh, don't touch it. Just say hey. Just say hey, I need some milk. Mommy has to go take a break so I can get some milk. Oh yes, gotta go get some milk. You're a funny girl. All right, I shall be back. All right, and this is the final look. Let me see. They are, I can't even try to fit the entire thing in the camera, but they are obviously super long. Yeah, but this is how it turned out in the end here. And then I'm all finished. They come down just below my butt pretty much, but this is the color and the look. She trying to see. She said, I ain't trying to miss out. I want to see. Okay. As always, thank you all for watching and tuning in. And yeah, hope that was an easy tutorial. Hopefully you all got the gist of how to do it. It honestly literally only takes me about 5 hours. It took me in total, I think 6 hours. That was with taking 2 or 3, I think 3 breaks to breastfeed her. So, you know, considering that, so I would say, honestly, I'd say it really only takes me about 4 hours in total. The last time I did these, they were red and black. I think, maybe the video before the last one that I posted, I had some kind of like these. They were shorter though. They were black and red again, but they were, I think it was slightly different. Like I did maybe a little bigger on the spacing, but this time this is kind of how I did it. I figured if I do it again, this is how I would normally do it now. This amount of spacing, this amount of hair, maybe this long. So yeah, this is super easy. It takes way less time than doing like box braids or my normal twist. And of course you can keep them in for up to a month. So easy hairstyle. Thank you all for watching, and until next time.